talking about the sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis, Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security. I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. Have to turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me why you drink. She a tell me she in control of me love. Y'all get wet up when me turn her up. Boy, now she go start wind up. Love how she smile when the worm call up. Baby, you're full of action like Twilight. You're not dead like 9-8, girl. Bubble like champagne or Sprite, girl. All night me a geared up.
Hi, Divinity Nation. What's up? What's up? Face looking dry. Jeez. I'm not putting anything on my camera. Waiting at my driver. Well, on the time film come yet, but yeah. Here on the computer. I'm not feeling that good today. But I mean, I took some pills and stuff. I'm not feeling much pain, but I'm going to go on the road real quick. I'm just gonna make a couple stops and come right back to my yard. I cannot. I hate this feeling. But yeah. Yeah, that's what's up. I'm here. I kind of just put some fruits in this bag to go. Like I have pineapple, grapes, apples. Yeah, this is the first thing I'm eating for morning. I haven't really ate. Not really good because it's like 2:37 p.m. now. Y'all know I'm not a morning person. I woke up like to 12, and that was just because there was an appointment. Somebody was supposed to come here to install something from a company, so I had to wake up that time. If it wasn't for that, I would wake up like probably after 1. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just here on YouTube killing time eating these fruits, and then I'll be on my way. So yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Discount Beauty, need to go to Pablo's, half a tree basically. Then I'm going to go to get some lashes for my kid, and then I'm going to go to Shop Necessities. Yeah, I see the shoes that I want, this pair of shoes, some wedge, you know. I have so much like kicks and stuff, like, and a couple sandals. I'm not a big heels person, but I'm trying to break myself back into it. Once I was like, one time I was a big heel person, but now I'm not. It's like I'm over it, because I did petite modeling like a couple years ago, like probably like 4 or 5 years ago. I did petite modeling, yeah, for a little time. So them time there, like when I had my 9-to-5 job, I was like wearing heels to work every day. I was a heels person. I was a heels girl. But then I just broke out of it. I don't know, I broke out of it. I'm like a clocks type of girl. I was always kind of like a kicks girl, but I curved myself into wearing heels. Now I can't wear heels for crap. Like I'll put it on for like 15-20 minutes and I have to take it off. Like it's ridiculous. I don't have time for that. So I'm trying to break out into my inner fashion. I've been doing a lot of exploring, especially since I've been trying to, you know, do a lot of hauls now, and I'm working on lookbooks and outfit of the days and stuff like that. You know, it's just exciting to me. It's exciting, you know. I'm buying handbags, I'm getting handbags, I'm getting clothes, I'm getting all these stuff. So I feel like I need to, you know, be a bit more versatile, you know. So yeah, see, but it's a pair of wedge that I'm going to actually get. You know, you can't cold turkey into everything. You kind of have to take baby steps. I got some strapless, some strap to success heels from Fashion Nova, and gosh, I cannot do it. Like, they're not high heels, but the fact that they don't have any platform at all is just, and everybody's wearing them now, and I don't really like the uniform thing. You don't have the British them, yeah, I know them are uniform and whatever, but they're flat, like whatever. But like the heels them, the strappy heels, like the strap crisscross. Me can't bother with that. Everybody has them. It's annoying. So I'm just gonna buy, like, I think I'm gonna buy it. So, you know, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna see how I like it and all of that. I'm not that serious, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'll try to take you guys with me. I'll see how that go, and yeah. On my way now.
You know fi bad and hungry. You know fi bad and hungry. Anything bad fi that shit.
They're flat, like whatever, but like the heels them, the strappy heels, like the strap crisscross. Me can't bother with that. Everybody has them. It's annoying. So I'm just gonna buy, like, I think I'm gonna buy it. So, you know, I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna see how I like it and all of that. I'm not that serious, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'll try to take you guys with me. I'll see how that go, and yeah. On my way now.
You know fi bad and hungry. You know fi bad and hungry. Anything bad fi that shit. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, I woulda sell my gun. If I were you, me woulda sell my gun and buy a old Corolla. Taxi me run and buy me daughter stroller. Son of bad. If I not know, then I when. Some pound fi can spend. Road with
I was everywhere I needed to go on Mickey Mouse Park. Going back in Mouse. Yeah, guys, really quick stop. Huh? Thank you. Thanks.
so does the glass.
Huh? Oh, thanks. They just made a quick stop into that wholesale device. Right in there. Okay, I really like. Yes, I like these.
As a youth, one thing me always preach on my TV, richer than most when me always see. Yeah. I'm a nice and out for vanity, oh that. Some beach house, man I preach boat. Big car, man I drive out. Me and my dogs are ready to roll. Me browning by my side, I'm ready to roll. And some dream out.
Hi YouTube.
But I like these on my foot though, guys. Look. Let me try it. Even though them on your feet feel comfortable, but kind of just feel a little bit close. Try the size 6.
That's it for today.
So I'm gonna go with those ones, guys, and then I'm gonna go back home. I'm literally done because I never wanted to run the road too long. So
And this is the girl scotch. This is what all the guys everywhere are trying to get. Trying to get this summer, getting the new nappy kinky look. There we go. There. Infused with the mohawk to give it a different look. And I go ahead and add my little personal touch right there. So there you go.
yeah, but see what's right?
Yes, please word one for the sleep, we're just asleep. _REHI. Yeah. Oh, there we go. So it's link_RAHI. There we go. Follow me on Instagram.
I want this smile. Alright, bye guys. Even the last time Ron come from off the ship, he might bother me. So we can't go get, sorry. Where can go and get the curling sponge and something, man? I was like, yo, I only saw that on YouTube at the time. It wasn't as popular. And then when I noticed everybody start getting it, I was like, damn, everybody want the curly nappy spiky look. Going it's home now. So yeah. So that's it for the road. Hey guys, hi. My dark. Hello. Hi. Let me out, please. Finally. Yeah.
I don't want to be in your box.
Not that the box. I have everything in on it. Alright.
If you want them here now. See?
Yeah. Not do me such there. Thank you. Yes. I know, right? Yeah. Year 2 years. Yeah. Should have vlogged this. Oh my god. I'm supposed to be vlogging too, but because them idiots in the car cussing and acting up, I was like. So, wanna hear me talk about J.A. Dolly already? This is her. Yes, she's here. Yeah, we finally meet in person. The first time I meet in person. Like, isn't that crazy? Isn't it?
We did a video like what, a year ago together?
Yeah, the color. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to be doing a Makeover Monday episode on her beautiful face right now.
Don't call me before I make my blush and go on.
So we'll still come back.
I don't think they're ready. You know the one that is the yonder and admiral safe for say. Hey, him love me like him sex. Him say me get impressed. One touch, one pull, give him happiness. Him say me love the best. No bother with the rest. Now your fire get him higher. When me drop it low and swing it up, bring it.
Yes.
Vlogging the vlogger.
What's your?
Sexy, no.
What's your?
No.
She did on J.A. Dolly vloggers. I'm over with her auntie.
Yeah. Petite tell how much me love her, like that's what we talk about. It's like, wait, mommy, why mommy so real? Why mommy so hard?
Oh, I just did her face, but it's not before me start. The glow is so real.
Mommy, vlogging the vlogger. Yeah. So it goes. So we say we did.
What way I say? Wow.
That's a chill out afternoon. Cool.
Okay.
Not really cooling out to get hot.
No man, it's a burn up. Yeah. Like I'm sweaty.
Real people are more over that roof, yeah. Hot. Yeah.
Don't be family ever. Oh, show me that's your favorite move. She said this is her all the time. The manga boy on the skateboard. No, because we can't, but I'm doing it now.
Yeah.
But you're not quick. What's your? Oh my god.
Can I go one more girl? Can I go one more girl? Can I go one more girl?
Yeah, she wants to come into the family.
No, fine boring now. That's boring. No, but oh, I'm coming on Sunday, so I'm gonna come. I'm at 5.
Oh, she deals with kids well.
That's true. That's sure you come with. You know, I need to man the place.
Yeah, she's swaggy mode stuff. You know, she said she's a fashionista herself, mommy. Check the swag. Check the swag. Check the swag. Yeah.
Believe that. Look at that one.
But right now, guys, I'm gonna go to do a client. No, we're not deal with that, mommy. You know we don't deal with that. No outdated nothing. No.
And big bad petite, me say I get repost my fashion Nova. And then you start my big video, don't stop.
I'm not gonna stop. I love it.
Here, I hear.
I'm on my way to my other client now. She's with me here.
I'm gonna get good at this thing.
It just have to, you know, become a part of you. It's kind of involuntary. Like one time I did afraid, like especially when I was going on the road, like even the other day I went on the road by myself. I've been doing it for some time now. Like it's the most awkward time is when you're by yourself and to walk in public with the camera off.
Funny enough, in Montego Bay the other day, I was actually vlogging and this girl walked up to me and said, "Are you a Jade?" And I nearly dropped the iPad and run left out. I was like, I expect nobody to recognize me. I'm like, wait, no, hold on, I'm not ready yet. And we was there talking. I was like, I felt so awkward. Like it was not nice
awkward when people recognize me on the road. Good night. So it's another movie night. We're actually leaving the movies now, guys. We'll watch The Perfect Match, but honestly, it was not what I expected. It wasn't like it had its moments, but
one little part. It's a good pointer,
in the ending. We'll wait all the way till after the intermission. Yeah, it had like some of the like my favorite people in there, but honestly, it never really. I went there. Oh crap! It was good, but there were too many like predictable. Mommy, you still want the food?
What she said? You still want food?
You know what? Where? Where? But me no know. I just here, guys. So that's how that went. It could have been better. I give it like 6 out of 10. Yeah, I give it like 6 out of 10.
That's a 5.
Just because I felt like there was a moral behind the story.
Yes, the moral. Other than that, that's
it couldn't stay. Honestly, I can't. You know, me hear one woman say people, the woman walk and say, and them supposed to have the by tomorrow them have this out of road still for $100. It never. I think they should have took more time and really write the story a better way. Yes, sometimes when they do the movie them like that, you know, it end up lame.
You know, most of the time it's better when they do it with people.
Listen, them should have, like, I feel like they should allow Tyler Perry to kind of, you know.
When she did turn out, so she never did actually get married.
Yeah, I wish she didn't get married too.
Listen to me.
But probably that would be predictable.
Because everybody, all the time we watch a movie, you see where first them is single and then them hook up and them fall in love and all that. But you know much time she pronounced, like she say things say, yo, no strings attached, right? Yeah, because hello, enough time you hear people say, oh, I saw me steering and I can't change it now. So me and you got just really.
Let me tell you, no, the male them love act as if they're like stone. And some of the time them really suffer than the woman, you know. Because them really can't take the pain. Both physically and emotionally, they can't take the pain. No form of pain to be left right. The money going like them tough. They're not. They see much money in them.
I realize another one. I don't know.
No.
Some people like I can't find. That was the only part of the show. Make me kind of come back anytime and say, you know, this actually is the money out there we are.
When they him go bar and him lick the shot. Yes, him can't manage no pain at all. Yeah, this is when him catch her and I wedding dress, him couldn't even walk. Come on. Yes.
Come like him
I'm not fling the jacket.
Nearly choke and like him ocean dead.
You look very beautiful. Congratulations.
Oh, me? No,
yeah.
I'm falling in love with grandma. I'm
yeah. This is where I'm gonna end vlog 81. So I'll see you guys in vlog 82. Yo, can't believe that we're reached vlog 82 already. Crazy, right? I know. But yeah, it's Friday and ain't much going on right now. I'm gonna start editing this vlog and such. Yeah, today's a pretty chill day. Not much now going. I woke up late. It's like 3:35 now in the evening. I woke up like after 1 going to 2. What time did I go? Like, yeah. See you guys on Tuesday. Bye.
All when them get me number and text me telling them straight, say you are my baby, my baby. Yeah, that night so me have to testify. You are my baby, my baby. Yeah, although I'm a banjo like me, now go tell no lie. Y'all, you out for mad fry.
You want me the first time we made love. I love with your body, baby. Your good body grip me enough. You have me girl, but you have me away when you kiss for me neck with your tongue. Same night me and your day nice true that you tell me you're not give me now. It's a pretty please me want some. Oh.